Hi everyone, welcome back to BioBoard classes. In this video, we will explore the structure and function of the cell membrane and learn how substances move in and out of the cells. This is a fundamental topic in biology and helps us understand how cells survive and communicate. So let's dive in. What is a cell membrane? The cell membrane is a thin, flexible layer that surrounds every cell. It acts as a selectively permeable barrier, meaning it allows certain substances to pass through while blocking others. This helps the cell maintain homeostasis or a stable internal environment, which is critical for survival. The cell membrane is primarily made up of phospholipid bilayer. Each phospholipid has a hydrophilic, which is water attracting head, and two hydrophobic, which is water repelling tails. These molecules align themselves with the heads facing outward toward the watery environment and the tail facing inward, creating a stable barrier as shown in the picture. With this bilayer, proteins are embedded and act as channels, carriers, or receptors. Carbohydrates are attached to the proteins or lipids on the outer surface, helping cells recognize each other and communicate. Transport across the cell membrane is crucial for nutrients, gases, and waste to move efficiently. There are two main types of transport: passive and active. First is passive transport. Passive transport requires no energy and contents move from high to low concentration. First is diffusion. It is the simplest form of transport. Molecules such as oxygen or carbon dioxide move from areas where they are more concentrated to where they are less concentrated until equilibrium is reached. Next is osmosis. It is a special case of diffusion that involves the movement of water. Water moves from areas of low solute concentration to areas of high solute concentration until balance is achieved. Next is facilitated diffusion. Some molecules like glucose or ions are too large, or sometimes they are charged so that they cannot pass directly through the membrane. So in that case, facilitated diffusion uses specific transport proteins to help these molecules move along the concentration gradient without energy input. As you can see in the given diagram, the yellow part is a channel protein through which these molecules are entering the cell. Next is active transport. In active transport, substances move from areas of low concentration to areas of high concentration, and this process goes against the natural flow. Hence, it requires energy in the form of ATP. It is essential for absorbing nutrients like glucose and ions, even when the concentration outside the cell is lower. One common example is the sodium potassium pump, which helps nerve cells function by maintaining ion gradients, and other forms include endocytosis, where the cell engulfs large particles, and exocytosis, where it releases substances outside. Why these processes matters? Because transport mechanisms are vital for cell survival. They allow nutrients like glucose and oxygen to enter, waste products like carbon dioxide to exit, and water balance to be maintained. Also, these enable cells to communicate with each other, keeping the entire body functioning properly. So, to summarize, the cell membrane plays a crucial role in controlling what enters and leaves the cell. Passive transport moves substances naturally, while active transport uses energy to maintain proper cell function. Thank you for watching this video on cell membranes and transport mechanisms. If you found it helpful, please hit the bell icon, subscribe for more biology content, and share it with your friends. Stay curious and keep learning.